our wood top table with stainless steel base. First off, the overall dimensions. Measurements for the wood top will include 48 inches in length, 24 inches in depth, the thickness of the wood top measuring 1.5 inches in thickness. Overall length with the legs, we have 35 inches tall. Coming to the bottom will be the second and bottom tier. Shelf can be used as storage, and with that, it measures 41 inches in length, by 17 inches in depth. The distance from the bottom shelf towards the top of the wood base, we have a total height of 22 inches in height. All four legs, including the bottom shelf, is stainless steel, with the exception of the top being a wood finish. The film can be peeled off that will protect the stainless steel finish for the bottom shelf. Coming to the far left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.